we can see that before this, when we use loop, you can see in the terminal, it will repeat again and again. Please enter your mark and what the output, the display, and continue using as again and again. So this will end up, if you repeat the game 10 times, you repeat the program 10 times, it will repeat 10 times. So you're going to have a really long terminal. What happens if you repeat it more than 10 times, maybe 50, 100 times? So it will be longer and longer. So we don't want this kind of things to happen. So what we can do to clear our output is by using clear output function. So how we want to use this clear output function? First step, we need to import clear output library. So at the top of our program, so we're going to include from ipython dot display import clear output. So this is very, again, case sensitive. You need to make sure that I and P is in capital letter. So from ipython.display import clear output. Then after importing this library, it will allow us to use clear output. So we want to clear the output after end of each run. So we want to clear the previous output. So at the end of the program, here, like after we ask whether the user want to continue, after the user give the input, then we want to clear the output that have been displayed in this terminal before. So here we're going to write clear output, open and close bracket. Now we run. So please enter your mark. So give any number, 78, and you get B. Let's say here. And after here, it asks whether we want to continue using it again. So after we write it Y, let's say Y. Now we enter. Then you see the previous output is cleared. So we have a clean terminal again. So basically a new mark been entered to this from students and a new output. So this is very important because like when we are using terminal, so you don't want the terminal will be cluttered because of too many display. So you want to have a clean look, so easier for the user to view the output and easier for us to use it.